I gotta hit the racks in TOUCHEDBYAYE, okay, and twirl around. Listen, excuse me. Now hold up, wait a minute, let me put some bobs in it. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by MyFirstWig. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. Now before we get into this very easy, beginner-friendly, glueless install, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from MyFirstWig. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. I'm gonna tell you right now, this unit is not cheap, okay? MyFirstWig normally comes for the pockets, okay? But they give you everything that you need on your wig for that flawless install. So we're gonna go ahead and install this joint. It comes with the attached elastic band, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that to see how securely she is fitting on my head. And then I'm gonna use my 330 powder under my lace. As always, everything's linked to my Amazon store, okay? So we're gonna put that on the lace to tint it. Y'all know I don't like using lace tint spray. It's too messy for me, so I just use my powder and call it a day. Put this on. Ooh, that's tight. So I may not be able to wear my wig grip. Yeah, I'm not even gonna chance it. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is what we are sitting with. And excuse my voice, y'all. Y'all know I went to Essence Fest, so you know, your girl is back home now preparing for her next vacation in a couple days. And my voice is shot, okay? I was screaming for Drew Hill, okay? Tell me what you want. Boom, okay? Leave me alone, leave me alone. Okay, so this is gonna be pretty simple, I think. Now this is Swiss lace, so it should melt down into my skin real nice when I add my mousse to her. But we gonna see, you know, we gonna test it, okay? We gonna see. Now I'm gonna use my Esha Daily Edge mousse. Now this one was sold out in my Amazon store because y'all was buying it up, but I do have the Nairobi Wrap and Shine mousse linked to my Amazon store as well, so you can definitely use that. I used to use that before I use this. So go ahead and grab that up if you wanna do a glueless install for your wig. Now if you have a smaller head than me, you can definitely use the no gap hack that I showed you guys in the last couple videos to make sure your wig is secure down on your head. Because this unit does run small for me, I can't do that with this wig. It already has the adjustable elastic band in the back, so I just use that. It's not sitting down as flat as I want her to on my sides, but we still gonna make her work. Okay, now I'm gonna tie this down. I just ordered some new straps from Amazon, some new so don't do this. I just ordered some new wig elastic band straps from Amazon, so those should be here. God dang it, with the Velcro, so I don't gotta worry about this. Got my hot comb and my, how do you turn this on? First I'm going to make sure my top is straight. Flyaway tamer. And they do have this on their site. However, you can get it from Amazon as well if you don't want to get it from, you know, from them. So I'm just gonna straighten this unit out, give it a little bump on the ends. Now I'm going to use my hot comb on the top here. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Okay, let me untie it. Now the unit that I have is a silky texture. However, it does come in a yaki texture if you want that for yourself. Let me just style it the way I want. Get my contour. Again, I use my makeup products to blend my lace. You can do the same, or you could, you know, do your lace tint spray. Whatever works for you. Hold on, let me flatten this part out. There we go, there we go. I'm gonna get you to lay down. So the front, I want it to look a certain way. So let me fix that. Comb this down to the side. like that. My part's a little crooked. Hold up. Use a little bit of my gel, my Eco Styler gel right here in the front. Just a little bit. Just to make sure my hairline is straight. I'm not even gonna put no product in my parting space because I feel like it's already pretty good. Okay, so that is it for this look. How we looking? I hope we look good. Hold up, my swoop not even. Let me even that out. Okay, so I think this came out real cute. Very simple bob action. I'm here for it. Let me give it a little spin, a little spin like this. Okay, who got the bundles? Who got the bundles? This hair is laid down. You hear me? Okay, she is looking good. Let me come up close so y'all can see this lace. She a little ashy right there. Hold up. I can't be doing that to y'all. Blend it down. All right, now we can see. Now we can see. Okay, where we sitting. This is how we looking on that hairline. Ooh, she look good. She look good. Okay, now as always, lace is not skin. Okay, so you will still see lace no matter how good you blend your lace down in whatever lights. Okay, so if you right here in my face, you gonna see my lace. 6 feet. 6 feet. Okay, so what are we thinking about this, y'all? Very simple, very easy to style. This is definitely beginner friendly. My first wig is for those first time wig wearers who want a human hair wig but don't want to do anything to it. Okay, all you saw me do was cut my lace off and style it for me. I would have loved this unit even more if I had the yaki texture, but I'm not mad at the movement that this silky joint is giving me. It's the summertime, it's hot outside. Okay, so I'm here for the bob and the highlights and the Swiss lace. Okay, y'all see the lace is blending down with no glue whatsoever on my head. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? I like how I laid this. And I'm in the middle part. Okay, bust down middle part. Brand new. Short, sweet, and to the point because I got people need to see me. Y'all see this head? Look, I gotta hit the racks in Target, okay, and twirl around. Listen, excuse me. Tell me down below what you think about this one. Don't tell me about the price. Okay, I know about the price. Hit that speed down real quick. Call up Daddy Papa.
And then we could discuss an arrangement and a potential relationship between you and I.
I know he for the winter, but you know, we've been using him a lot this summer. That man is probably tired. You hear me? But you know, if you want to get to talking, I mean... But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to My First Wig for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link and my specs down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.